Hi, in this video I'm going to review the 1-to-1 scale spring AK-74 Airsoft. Alright, I know what you're thinking. The magazine is incorrect. But we're going into that later. This spring Airsoft is made in Indonesia. It replicates the AK-74, even though you can find some incorrect details. The cost of this Airsoft is 85,000 Indonesian rupiahs or 5.5 US dollars. This Airsoft is very affordable. Now let's talk from the externals. As you can see, this Airsoft has the AK-47 magazine, not the 74. It has a dummy selector. You can turn this up or down, but it won't give any effect to the Airsoft. It has a safety feature right over here. It has an adjustable dummy rear sight. The front sight is fixed. Almost everything is made of plastic. One interesting feature is the iconic folding stock, which you can fold. The muzzle is too small for an AK-74. It has a red laser that cannot be adjusted. The magazine has a reservoir. When the stock is folded, it is a very compact Airsoft for security. The cocking handle is on the right side. The stock is wobble. It has a small sling. And now for the performance. I just tested this thing and it has no double feeding issue, which is great. But because of this long inner barrel, the accuracy is bad. Let me show you here. There are two parts from this Airsoft. So as a solution, you can get a 3D print outer barrel like this, the shorter version of this Airsoft. It will fix the accuracy issue and also replace the plastic inner barrel inside this Airsoft. Okay, now for the Chrono Test. I use 0.2 gram BBs and the first shot is 278.9. The second is 279.6. The third is 278. The fourth is 278.2. And the last is 279.5. For the FPS, it is very consistent. And now we are going to compare the AK-47 and the 74. Here with the inner barrel, this is the AK-47. I bought this first, and this is the newest AK-74. Basically, they're just the same. For the performance, the AK-74, it doesn't have any feeding issue. Meanwhile, the 47, it has the double feeding issue. For the internals, I haven't opened the AK-74, but in the future I'm going to open the AK-74 and see what's inside. But for the 47, it is great due to the piston volume. It is so big, so many air volume, that you can use a longer inner barrel. In order to operate this Airsoft, you need to use your eye protection. Fill the BBs in the magazine reservoir. You can put a lot of BBs in here. Next, pull down the BB's follower and shake your magazine until you can see some of the BBs in this line. After that, release the BB's follower and put the magazine inside the airsoft. Pull back the cocking handle until you hear a click sound, and then you're ready to shoot. And now the conclusion. For an airsoft at this price point, well, what can you expect? This is actually an okay case gun for a Springer that has extra budget for internal and external modifications. It fits well. For airsofter who lives in Indonesia, you only have several choices, and maybe this is one of them for Springer. Okay, I think that's all for today's review. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.